Chris, you in here?
Sure.
Hey man, I've been looking for you. You wanted to talk about all that stuff you're about to unveil? All the...
Oh, for the Baily's race program?
Yeah, all that stuff.
Yeah. Sorry, we're scaling the Demon. We're weighing it out and kind of see where it's at for the classes that we're going to enter her in. So, you know, we've got scales now to weigh the cars, balance them, make sure they're good. But what I really wanted to talk about was the new race program that Baily's High Performance is going to be releasing.
Sweet, with this Demon?
Yeah, Demon and customers' cars and anything else. We're going to be offering an entire lineup, different levels, different packages of track support and support for your race car program if you wanted to. So, for example, if a customer comes in and they say they want, you know, to go down the track at a certain speed and that's their goal. It really takes a good team to back that person to get there, to reach their goals. So Baily's High Performance is putting together a race program that has the ability for us to transport the car down to the racetrack for you, any local DFW Houston racetrack, as well as tune support, maintenance, any of that that's going to be required for the race car, pre-track prep, post-track look over and checking and everything else from there. So it's going to be a cool program that we're putting through. We're also adding for our racetrack guys the 3 different levels of engine and supercharger cooling. One is going to be, you know, heat treating and protecting all of the supercharger lines. Next one's going to be the FI interchiller setup, and then from there it's FI interchillers and ice tank and a bunch of other things to really get this down to 16 degrees temperature is kind of our goal that we've been able to achieve on a few vehicles. So the other thing that we're really excited about to offer along with our 3 levels of cooling that we'll have, our racetrack program, which is going to involve trailering out the car, tech support out there with making sure the vehicle's good, tire pressures are fine, recording data as far as track information, all of that, emailing tunes, getting tunes worked out while we're there. All of that is going to be a part of the Baily's High Performance race program that we're super excited to release. But additionally, furthermore, that we're even more excited about is the addition of another tuner. So heading up the race program for the tuning side of things, we're bringing on board Kurt Hoff. So we've been able to work with several others. Kurt has been phenomenal with our shop Demon. We gave him full reins on this car here, and kind of went through the process so we can make sure that our customers get the same experience, or we can communicate the process thoroughly as far as what it takes to bring Kurt Hoff on board to tune their vehicles for the track. You know, going fast is a process. It is time consuming, and it's a trial and error. It's a lot of go out there, do a hit, come back, make some changes, and go and go and go till we get it down exactly how we need the car to react. So we're super excited for Kurt to come on board and do all the tuning for our racing program. The other good thing is the addition of one of our longtime tuners that have been on board with our tunes for years, has finally made a comeback. He's back here in Texas now, and he's going to be heading up all of our tuning program for all the horsepower packages that still maintain the warranty through Baily's High Performance. So we've got 2 options. You've got the horsepower packages that are warranted through Baily's High Performance, and then you have the race program, which is, you know, 100% all out. This is what we're achieving. We have the understanding we're building a race vehicle, and our main goal is to, you know, be some of the top 5 cars for Baily's to have some of the top 5 cars in the entire Texas region. So it's a fun program that we're excited to release. We're excited to talk about. You'll be seeing us a lot more out there at the track. If you wanted to stop by, especially this Saturday, we're having a competition this Saturday. Stop by, check out the cars, chat with us, ask us any questions, take a look at these beautiful machines. We've been in the lab for some time now, working on them, getting them perfect, and we're super excited to be joining everybody out there at the track, and you know, really starting to set some records. So, along with the great quality of Baily's High Performance on the builds, we are super excited for Kurt to come in and work all of his magic on the ECUs to really make these cars fly down the track. So if you do see one of these Baily's High Performance cars out at the track, you better be careful. So we'll see you guys later.
You want to grab lunch?